Aren't they great? Oh my God, you guys are absolutely awesome. That's Barbara on the drums, Dan on the bass, David on the viola, David on the piano, and David singing for you. There's an echo in here. David. This is the music of Charles Aznavour. The sound of your name comes to me any hour on wings on the wind, like the scent of a flower. How can I explain its impossible power? The sound of your name. The sound of your name is a Valentine greeting, a bell when it rings, and a heart when it's beating. I'm drawn in a spell where all things keep repeating the sound of your name. Your name is a song that I long to be writing. The music is strong, the words are inviting. A changeable melody is strangely exciting. I found in your name. The sound of your name can bring times of desire that flares like a flame as it climbs ever higher, that burns in my senses, turns them to fire. The sound of your name. But love is a game that continually changes. The players discover the risk and the dangers. We started as lovers, we ended as strangers. Now where can I turn? Your name is the ghost of a chance that you gave me, the brink of a dance, just enough to enslave me. Alone in my grief, what is there that can save me if you don't return? At night in my dreams you are there in obsession. I whisper your name in a prayer of confession. You've entered my soul and have taken possession. And who can I blame? For you are the heaven on earth that I sigh for, the high unobtainable moon that I try for. As long as I live, I will live and I'll die for the sound of your name. Your name, your name, your name, your name. That's my psychotic song. Jose Promis, a friend of mine who's going to be up later, he calls me, "Oh my God, David, you go psychotic on that song." Because it starts off nice and then it turns a little nasty.